If you've ever gotten the look from a coworker because your keyboard sounds like popcorn in a microwave, this one's for you. I spent the last couple of weeks digging through the noise, pun absolutely intended, to find the best silent mechanical keyboards and switches for office work, and I found some genuinely great deals along the way. Here are my top 5. Starting off small but mighty, the Kailh Purple Iris Silent Switches. These are low-profile, 30-gram switches, which means they're featherlight and actuate crazy fast, great if you're typing all day and your fingers get tired by 3 in the afternoon. The silencing is built right into the stem, so you get that soft, muted thud instead of a sharp click. At just $7.66, this is the cheapest way to test the silent life. Nearly 4,800 sold with a 4.8 rating tells you people aren't just buying them, they're happy with them. Next up, the DarkBeacon 84-key Silent Mechanical Keyboard. This one's a 75% layout, so you keep your function row and arrow keys but ditch the numpad, which frees up a surprising amount of desk space for your mouse. It's wired, it's got LED backlighting for those late nights, and it runs silent red switches, linear, smooth, no bump, no clack. It's the priciest wired board here at $264.96, but it's built like a tank and it's a plug-and-play deal with Windows laptops and desktops. Over 4,600 sold and a 4.6 rating. Third, we've got the 462E 10-piece low-profile silent switch pack. This is for the DIY crowd. If you've already got a hot swappable board you love and the only problem is the noise, you don't need a new keyboard, you need these. 10 switches for $26.06, so you can try them on your most used keys before committing to a full set. They're specifically tuned for nighttime typing, which honestly is the real test. If it doesn't wake up the house at midnight, it won't bother anyone at the office. Number 4 is my personal favorite for pure everyday comfort, the Eweadn G98. It's a wired mechanical board with tactile switches, so you still feel that satisfying little bump when a key registers, you just don't hear it. That's the sweet spot a lot of people are chasing. It's got an ergonomic profile that keeps your wrists at a more natural angle, and at $198.41 it sits right in the middle of this list. With a 4.8 rating from over 4,400 buyers, it's the highest rated full keyboard here. And rounding it out, the silent soft touch ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo. Full 104 key layout, so you get your numpad back, plus a 2,400 DPI mouse in the box, one purchase, whole setup done. The headline feature is 90% noise reduction, and the soft touch keys are genuinely quiet enough for open plan offices or a shared home workspace. It's $359.10, which is the most expensive pick, but remember you're getting 2 peripherals, not 1. 4.7 rating, over 4,200 sold. All the links are down in the description, and I'll keep them updated if the prices drop. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. I do these roundups every week. Thanks for watching, and go enjoy the silence.